How to disable sound effects in the Encode application. If you have been using the Encode app and wondering on how to disable the sound effects that keeps on occurring onto the app, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings option at the top, just right here, select it. Then here you can find sound effects right here onto the general option. Now to disable it, simply tap onto this button right here, select it. And now you can see it is now disabled. Now to enable it, simply do the same process again, simply click this button. And that's it. This is how you can disable the sound effects in the Encode application. It is a very easy process, right? Now we will not get any sound effects onto this app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.